And who are you? The proud king said that I must bow so low. Only an eagle of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. In a coat of blue or a coat of red, an eagle still has claws, and mine are long and sharp. My king is long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that king of Prussia. But now the reins leap o'er his ruined nation, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep over his burned halls, and not a soul to hear. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that king of Prussia. But now the rains sweep over his ruined nation, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains sweep over his burned halls, and not a soul to hear. And who are you? The proud king said that I must bow so low. Only an eagle of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. In a coat of blue or a coat of red, an eagle still has claws, and mine are long and sharp. My king is long and sharp as yours. And so